Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Back up to iCloud and make a local iTunes copy so you can restore if needed. Once done, free roughly 5 to 10 GB to avoid installer failures and speed the download. Next, enroll in the Apple Beta program with your Apple ID, accept the agreement, then confirm the device you want on the beta. Doing these steps first reduces risk and gives you a safe rollback option if the beta misbehaves. With enrollment complete, install the beta configuration profile directly on your device and allow the profile in settings. Make sure to restart after the profile is installed. That triggers the beta update to appear under Settings General Software Update. Then download over stable Wi-Fi with at least 50% battery or while plugged in. Monitor available storage during the install because low space causes pauses. Patience here prevents corrupted After the installer runs, follow on-screen prompts and leave your device connected until it finishes and reboots. If the process stalls, force restart first, then verify storage and reinstall the beta profile if needed. These quick steps clear most hangs. If the device won't boot or behaves badly, restore from your earlier backup or use DFU mode to reinstall official firmware. That way you can return to a stable release. The backup ensures you don't lose settings or important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.